When it comes to improving your home's comfort and efficiency, window installation is one of the most valuable upgrades you can make. In Tuscaloosa, where warm summers and humid conditions are the norm, choosing and installing windows correctly can dramatically affect your home's energy use and comfort level. However, even small installation errors can lead to drafts, leaks, or higher energy bills. Here are the most common window installation mistakes homeowners in Tuscaloosa should avoid, and how to ensure your project goes smoothly. Ignoring Tuscaloosa's climate factors. Tuscaloosa's humid subtropical climate brings long, hot summers and plenty of rain throughout the year. A common mistake homeowners make is choosing windows without considering these local weather patterns. For instance, using windows with low-quality seals or poor insulation can lead to condensation issues and energy loss. Always select energy-efficient windows with features like low E coatings, double glazing, and proper weather stripping to withstand Tuscaloosa's temperature swings and moisture. Incorrect window measurements. Even the most energy-efficient window won't perform well if it doesn't fit properly. One of the biggest installation errors is inaccurate measurement. A window that's too large or too small can cause gaps that invite drafts, pests, and water damage. Always measure the width and height of the window opening at 3 points, top, middle, and bottom, to account for any irregularities in the wall. Professional installers in Tuscaloosa also check for square and level openings to ensure a perfect fit. Skipping proper insulation. A window frame without adequate insulation can become a major source of heat loss or gain. Many DIY installers overlook this crucial step, leading to poor energy performance and moisture buildup. Use expanding foam insulation or backer rods designed for windows to fill gaps between the frame and the wall. This not only improves efficiency but also helps prevent condensation and mold, two issues that are especially problematic in Alabama's humid climate. Neglecting flashing and sealing. Flashing acts as a barrier that directs water away from your window openings. When flashing is installed incorrectly, or skipped altogether, rainwater can seep into your walls, causing rot, mold, and structural damage. In Tuscaloosa, where heavy rains are common, this mistake can be costly. Always ensure flashing tape or metal flashing is properly applied to the top and bottom of the window, and seal all joints with high-quality silicone caulk to prevent water intrusion. Using the wrong installation method. Not all windows are installed the same way. Some are new construction windows that require a nail fin and full frame replacement, while others are retrofit windows designed to fit into existing frames. Using the wrong method can cause structural stress or improper alignment. If you're unsure which approach suits your Tuscaloosa property best, consult a certified window installer who understands local building codes and materials. Overlooking structural issues. Before installing new windows, it's vital to inspect the surrounding walls and framing for damage. Wood rot, cracks, or uneven surfaces can compromise the integrity of your installation. In older Tuscaloosa homes, settling foundations or termite damage may also affect window alignment. Addressing these problems beforehand ensures your windows remain airtight and stable for years to come. Failing to test operation. After installation, a perfectly installed window should open, close, and lock smoothly. Unfortunately, many installers neglect to test functionality before finishing the job. Improper leveling or over-tightening fasteners can make windows hard to operate and reduce their lifespan. Always check that your windows move freely and create a tight seal when closed. De-installation. Without experience. While DIY projects can save money upfront, window installation is a task where mistakes can be costly. Improper tools, poor sealing, or uneven placement can lead to long-term energy loss and water damage. In Tuscaloosa, where humidity and heat demand reliable window performance, hiring professional installers is a smart investment that ensures proper fitting, sealing, and long-term durability. Final thoughts. Installing new windows in your Tuscaloosa property can enhance comfort, boost curb appeal, and reduce energy costs, if done correctly. By avoiding these common mistakes and partnering with a trusted local installer, you'll enjoy windows that stand up to Alabama's challenging climate and add lasting value to your home. Quality installation doesn't just protect your investment, it ensures your home stays efficient, comfortable, and beautiful for years to come.